question 2, which is chapter 5. And I picked the enthalpy of reaction from the enthalpies of formation. And this question states, first, write the balanced equation for the reaction of methane and oxygen, and then find the enthalpy of reaction given the enthalpies of formation from the following compounds. And this question gives us the enthalpies of formation, which you can just get from the chart. So it gives us methane, carbon dioxide, and water. So the first thing we want to do is write the balanced equation for this reaction. So we have methane, which is CH4, plus oxygen. And this reaction produces carbon dioxide and water. However, this is not balanced, so we want to balance it first. And by putting a 2 in front of the oxygen, we get 4 oxygens, and 2 over here and 1 here. So then we just add a 2 here, and now everything is balanced because we have 4 hydrogens, 1 carbon, and everything is balanced here. Next, I will write the equation for the standard enthalpies of reaction. So how you find out is you get the sum of the coefficients of the standard enthalpies of formation of the products minus the sum, and here's the coefficient of standard enthalpies formation of the reactants. So this is a pretty simple equation. So now that we have our balanced equation, we can get the coefficients, and we are also given their enthalpies of formation. So we will write this out. Reaction. And for the first one that we're going to do is product. So we'll go ahead, and here's carbon dioxide, and there's 1 is a coefficient because there's nothing in front of it, so we can use 1. And we look over to the table, and its enthalpy of formation is negative 393.5, and it's the sum, so then we add the next product, which is water, and we have the coefficient of 2, and its enthalpy of formation of negative 241.8, and we subtract the reactants. So the first one is methane, and we have just a coefficient of 1, and its enthalpy of formation is negative 74.80 plus the enthalpy of reaction, or enthalpy of formation of oxygen, and we have the coefficient of 2. However, it is not in the chart, so it's 0. So then that just cancels out, obviously. So once you add all of this up, this side is equal to negative 877.1. Don't forget your negatives. Minus, and since that was canceled, we just have negative 74.80. And this comes out to negative 802.3. And we have 4 significant figures here